Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Apple CarPlay charging stop planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading Apple CarPlay charging stop planning, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Apple CarPlay and press search. Browse through the results to find apps that support charging stop planning. Select an app that meets your needs and has good reviews. Tap on the app to open its page. Press the Get button to download the app. Enter your Apple ID password if prompted, or use Face ID or Touch ID. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app from your home screen. Follow the app's setup instructions to create an account if necessary. Allow the app to access your location for optimal performance. Explore the app's features to familiarize yourself with its interface. Locate the charging stop planning section within the app. Input your desired route and destination for your trip. The app will suggest charging stations along the route. Select the charging station that works best for your needs. Review the estimated charging time and any associated costs. Save your planned route with the charging stops included. Now you're ready to drive with confidence, knowing where you can recharge along the way. Enjoy your journey with Apple CarPlay and stay connected while you drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.